going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2thousands.com, and I'm going to show you how you can use this influence app to make $2 in less than 1 minute. Very simple. All you're going to be doing is answering questions in video response. You just answer the question for at least 15 seconds, and then after that, you will be paid. It is very simple, so I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do it. You see here, I have all of these questions, $1 per question. Basically, right here is a potential to make $5, but I'm going to just show you an example of how to do 2 questions. So I'm going to click on the first one. It's going to show me the question. What do I think about this advertisement? So I'm sure they're going to show me the next slide, the advertisement they're showing me. And so I'm going to go to that. And right here, this is the advertisement. So I basically just look at it and kind of think about what I want to say in my video response. Again, because I have to record myself speaking on this. So for at least 15 seconds. So I do that. I seen the ad, I click the check mark, and now I record myself, and I'll just fast forward this part. And then once I've recorded myself, now I just have to go to the next screen. And you'll see there, I have a 94% chance of this getting accepted and, being paid for it. So I'll upload it. Just wait for it to finish uploading. I mean, you can play it back if you want to, re-record it, whatever the case may be, but I'm fine with it. And right after that, I just go directly into the next question. It is just that simple. So again, just look at what the question is asking me. It's going to show me another ad. So I'll just look at that real quick. And again, just look at it, kind of see what I want to say, record myself. And again, I would fast forward this part. So now I'm going to do that. And then I get to the next screen. You see here, I have a 95% chance of qualifying for this one. So I'll just upload it. I would say if you have at least an 80% chance, you're going to always qualify. Just higher it is. But I've never had one disqualify when it's above 80. And so just like that, both questions have been answered. I just did 2, just to give you an example, but you need a minimum of $10 in order to cash out in this app. I got $8.75. Once those 2 questions, once they're accepted and I get paid for it, which will be with the next hour or so, I'll have more than $10 and I can cash out. But it's just that simple, y'all. Every time they give you a question, it's going to be at the very minimum 25 cents, but you'll get a lot of dollar questions throughout the day. I recommend, downloading this on your phone and turning your notifications on. That way you can get notified when they have a question for you. Also, they'll have a box on there saying unlock more video questions. You can click on that and it'll give you the opportunity to kind of answer little short surveys so they know what to give you in your video responses. And the thing about it is you cannot be disqualified once they get a question for you. The only way you will not be paid is if you don't answer the question or they can't see you clearly or hear you. So just make sure when you're recording yourself that you can be seen and heard clearly and you're answering the question directly for the minimum of 15 seconds and you'll be paid every single time. I guarantee you that. All right. So the link to download this is in the description. You can download it on your phone, which I recommend. That we can have the notifications, or you can do your iPad, your tablet, do the same thing, whatever the case may be. But get this free money and make $1 in less than a minute every time using this app. All right. So like I said, click on the link in the description and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.